Hello and welcome back to our channel. This is Mab, your daily fills of learning. Titan, the largest moon of Saturn, has fascinated scientists and astronomers for decades. With its thick atmosphere, methane lakes, and even potential for life, this moon holds many secrets. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 10 truths about Titan that you may not know about. From its unique atmosphere to its mysterious methane cycle, we'll dive deep into the wonders of this intriguing celestial body. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the top 10 truths about Titan. But first, let's start with a brief overview of Titan and what makes it so special. Titan is the largest moon of Saturn and the second largest moon in our solar system. It's slightly larger than the planet Mercury and has a diameter of about 5,150 kilometers. But what really sets Titan apart is its atmosphere, which is thicker than Earth's and rich in nitrogen and methane. Now that we have a basic understanding of Titan, let's jump into the top 10 truths about this fascinating moon. Number 10. Titan is the largest moon of Saturn and the second largest moon in our solar system. It's about 50% larger than Earth's moon and slightly bigger than the planet Mercury. Titan's size makes it a unique object in our solar system, and scientists have been studying it for decades to learn more about its composition and history. One of the most interesting things about Titan is its thick atmosphere, which is composed mostly of nitrogen and also contains small amounts of methane and other gases. This atmosphere is thought to have formed early in the moon's history, and it plays an important role in many of Titan's other unique features. Despite being so far from the sun, Titan also has a surprisingly active climate system, with winds, rain, and even seasons. This makes it an exciting target for future exploration, and scientists are eager to learn more about what makes this fascinating moon tick. Number 9. Titan is known to have a liquid surface, but it's not water. Instead, it has lakes and seas made of methane and ethane. These lakes and seas are thought to be fed by rain and rivers of methane, which flow across the moon's surface. They cover a significant portion of Titan's northern hemisphere, and some are as large as the Great Lakes in North America. The discovery of liquid on Titan was a major surprise to scientists, and it has led to many questions about how these lakes and seas formed and how they interact with the moon's atmosphere and climate. In recent years, NASA's Cassini spacecraft has provided detailed images and data on Titan's lakes and seas, helping scientists to better understand their composition and behavior. These findings could also have implications for the search for life beyond Earth, as they suggest that liquid environments may be more common in our solar system than previously thought. Number 8. Titan's atmosphere is mostly nitrogen, making up about 95%, and methane, which makes up about 5%. There are also small amounts of other carbon-rich compounds. This unique combination of gases gives Titan its hazy orange-brown atmosphere, and it's also responsible for many of the moon's most intriguing features. High in Titan's atmosphere, methane and nitrogen molecules are split apart by the sun's ultraviolet light and by high-energy particles accelerated in Saturn's magnetic field. This leads to the formation of complex organic molecules, which then rain down onto the moon's surface and contribute to its rich chemistry. This process also leads to the formation of Titan's unique hydrocarbon lakes and seas, as well as its thick smoggy atmosphere. Understanding the chemical processes that occur on Titan could provide important insights into the early evolution of our own planet and the conditions that may have led to the emergence of life. NASA's Cassini spacecraft has provided detailed observations of Titan's atmosphere and surface, and future missions are planned to continue the exploration of this fascinating moon. Number 7. Titan's subsurface has been closely studied by NASA's Cassini mission and other spacecraft. While the surface of Titan features seas and lakes of liquid methane and ethane due to its extremely cold temperatures, there is also a vast ocean of liquid water beneath its solid layer of water ice. This subsurface ocean has the potential to support life, making Titan a fascinating target for future exploration and research. Titan is thought to have a subsurface ocean of liquid water, which is believed to exist between the rocky core and the icy crust. This ocean is kept in a liquid state by the heat generated by tidal forces from Saturn, which causes friction and generates heat within Titan's interior. This discovery has raised exciting possibilities for the search for life beyond Earth. While the ocean on Titan is not thought to be habitable as it's too cold and lacks essential elements like oxygen, it does suggest that liquid water may be a common feature of icy moons and planets in our solar system. NASA's Cassini spacecraft provided detailed observations of Titan's surface and interior, and scientists are continuing to analyze the data to learn more about this intriguing moon. Future missions are also planned to further explore the potential for life on icy worlds like Titan. Number 6. While the ocean beneath Titan's crust is not thought to be habitable, the potential for life on this moon is still an intriguing topic of study. The presence of liquid water on Titan, along with the energy and organic compounds present on the moon, make it a possible site for the emergence of life. Scientists have proposed that life on Titan could take the form of methane-based organisms that metabolize hydrogen and carbon dioxide, much like the way that life on Earth metabolizes oxygen and glucose. While this is still purely speculative, it's an exciting area of research and could lead to important insights into the potential for life beyond Earth. Future missions to Titan will continue to study the moon's chemistry, geology, and potential habitability. Exploring Titan and other icy moons and planets in our solar system is essential to understanding the conditions necessary for life and the potential for habitable worlds beyond Earth. Who knows what other secrets these worlds may hold? Number 5. In 2027, NASA's Dragonfly mission is set to embark on an ambitious journey to explore the mysteries of Titan. The spacecraft will take advantage of gravity-assist flybys of Venus and Earth to accelerate its journey towards the Saturnian moon. It will take 7 years for Dragonfly to reach Titan, arriving at its destination in 2034. Dragonfly is a quadcopter-like vehicle designed to fly autonomously through Titan's thick atmosphere. It will carry a suite of scientific instruments to study the moon's chemistry, geology, and potential for habitability. Dragonfly will explore multiple sites on Titan, flying from place to place and taking measurements and samples along the way. The mission will provide unprecedented insights into this mysterious moon and could help us better understand the potential for life beyond Earth. Number 4. The name of Saturn's largest moon, Titan, has a rich mythological history. In 1655, the Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens discovered Titan using a telescope. He named the moon after the Titans, in keeping with the tradition of naming celestial bodies after mythological figures. Number 3. Titan's internal structure. While much is still unknown about Titan's interior, data from the Cassini-Huygens mission has provided valuable insight into the moon's composition. Based on this data, scientists have developed a model of Titan's interior that suggests the moon has 5 primary layers. At the center of Titan is a core made of water-bearing silicate rock. This innermost layer is about 2,500 miles in diameter. Surrounding the core is a shell of water ice, a special type called Ice 6 that is only found at extremely high pressures. This high-pressure ice is surrounded by a layer of salty liquid water, which in turn is covered by an outer crust of water ice. The surface of Titan is coated with organic molecules that have rained or otherwise settled out of the atmosphere in the form of sands and liquids. And speaking of the atmosphere, Titan's dense atmosphere wraps around the moon's surface, creating a hazy orange-brown sky that is rich in nitrogen and methane. In fact, the thick atmosphere is one of the reasons why Titan is such an intriguing destination for scientific study. Number 2. Titan's orbit and seasons. As Saturn's largest moon, Titan has a unique orbit and rotation that scientists find fascinating. Titan takes 15 days and 22 hours to complete a full orbit of Saturn. That means every 15 days, Titan is in a different position in its orbit around the gas giant. But Titan is also tidally locked in synchronous rotation with Saturn. This means that, like Earth's moon, Titan always shows the same face to the planet as it orbits. Saturn takes about 29 Earth years to orbit the Sun, which means it has a Saturnian year. And just like Earth, Saturn's axis of rotation is tilted, which results in seasons. Number 1. Titan may have ice volcanoes. There is evidence suggesting that Titan may have cryovolcanoes, or ice volcanoes, on its surface. These geological features would spew out water, ammonia, and methane instead of the molten rock that is ejected from traditional volcanoes on Earth. In 2005, the Cassini spacecraft detected a towering plume of particles above Titan's surface, indicating the possibility of cryovolcanic activity. However, it is still not completely understood how these cryovolcanoes would work on Titan's frigid and unique surface. Further exploration and study of Titan is needed to uncover more about these potential cryovolcanoes and their role in shaping Titan's surface. And that concludes our top 10 list of truths about Titan, the largest moon of Saturn. From its liquid surface and potential for life to its mysterious internal structure and potential for cryovolcanoes, Titan continues to fascinate scientists and space enthusiasts alike. With ongoing and planned missions to study this intriguing moon, we can look forward to uncovering even more about this enigmatic world in the years to come. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.